Hey guys, my name is Din Ginto from dinonlinepitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Undying Traffic. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how the Undying Traffic works. Now as a reminder, this new product launch will go live on November 3rd at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you'll be able to get access to the Undying Traffic when this goes live. And the best part is you can get discount price for this digital product launch during this launch period of the Undying Traffic. And this is a limited time offer, so you must act fast as the price increases soon. Now to get this discounted price, you can go ahead and click the link down below in this video to check it out. And I'm also going to be offering you my free bonuses here, and I will show you how you can get this product from here so you can retrieve my free bonuses offer by clicking the link down below in this video. Just keep an eye onto my bonus banner here and we're gonna go from there. Now I'm here inside of the members area of the Undying Traffic. Now to put this briefly, Undying Traffic is going to teach you how you can rank on top of the Google search, so you'll be able to get buyer traffic to your offers. Now this is Philp and Dan's products, and so they are so good with creating make money online programs because they always include case studies that their methods are proven to work. Now this works well with any online marketing business such as CPA offers, affiliate marketing, e-com stores, local businesses, drop shipping, bloggers, and many more. And you can also generate free traffic in Google with Undying Traffic, and you can use their easy to follow tactics to put together for a real passive revenue business. Now I want to talk about the benefits of the Undying Traffic. Now this comes with video trainings here so that Philp will show you how this program works, and he has done this himself and proven that in his real case studies that he's able to generate traffic from Google from ranking on top of the Google search. And you don't have to worry about buying traffic or even write a content because who has time for that? And basically this is great for if you are into writing, then you can apply these methods if you're a blogger. So I'm not saying whatever they recommend here is you don't write blogs at all, but if you are a blogger, you can benefit from this program. And so, you know, if you're a blogger who is struggling to get traffic, now this program is for you. And also this is also great for affiliate marketers who wants to send affiliate offers to traffic. And this is great for list building, so you'll be able to collect email leads into your autoresponder. This is also great for CPA offers, e-commerce, selling services, and whatever online marketing niche that you're into. And this program is great for beginners, newbies. They can pretty much benefit from these methods that no one has figured this out. And so this is not available in anywhere else because these are all the secret hacks of Philp and Dan's Undying Traffic. And so this will be your secret course that you'll be able to learn more on how you can be on top of the first page of Google. And so now I will be showing you inside of the members area of Undying Traffic. So as you can see here, this is the main dashboard of the program. Right over here is the as you can see here, oh my god, tongue twisting. And this is the dashboard here. This is the support. If you have any questions about the program, you can get access to support here, pro version here, local takeover, super funnel right over here for access. Here are resale rights and income overall. Now that's that for the top part of this program. So here is the welcome message from Philp here. This is his YouTube channel that you can subscribe, so you'll be able to watch all his values, all his online marketing tips that he'll be sharing in his video here. Here are free value on Philp's Instagram here, so make sure that you follow him on Instagram so you'll be able to learn more on what his online marketing tips that he'll be able to share it with you. And so You can also direct message him and personally will respond you. And so that's the best thing about this program, is you'll be able to reach him out and ask him questions. Here is for Dan as well. So Dan Khan is also one of Philp's partner, and so they both created this program. You can click here to get free value from Dan Khan and so much more. And so you can go ahead and reach him through here. And Philp will be sharing you on how you can earn 43,000 in 7 days of free training in this video here. You can sign up here for the free training here. And then let's go to the intro. Here is the overview, and he'll be explaining to you this case study of this program here. So Philp will be he'll be writing all this information onto this video for you to watch, and he'll be explaining to you of how you can get traffic onto Google. So I won't be playing this video because then you're gonna have to pick up this product. And so that's that for the intro. And then over in the main training, here is where you can create your channel here, and there are no videos needed on this part here. This is the 99% approval for affiliate offers between 50 to 100% commissions. So this is the video for it. If you want to earn between these commissions, then this is a video for you. And so for affiliate marketers out there, then this is the part where you have to learn more about this technique. Here is making the magic happen. So again, Philp will be explaining more about more traffic stuff here. Unleash the power. Another video here that you'll be learning more power to this course. The true way to financial freedom. Really good information from Philp here. He'll be explaining to you on what it's like to get into the financial freedom. And so it's pretty awesome. He's got all this good stuff and good advice for the financial freedom out there. And then that's that for the main training, and here are all the available upgrades for you to check out, but I'll be explaining more into that later. This is all the unannounced bonuses inside of the vendors members area here of the Undying Traffic. And don't forget, I will be sharing you and giving you away my free bonuses as well when you decide to pick up Undying Traffic. Right below in this video, you can go ahead and click the link. And once you pick up Undying Traffic, then you'll be able to get my free bonuses offer automatically. And so that's that for the Undying Traffic members area. Now for my bonuses here, I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Undying Traffic, this is going to go live on November 3rd. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these yellow buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. Okay, so it's going to look like this, and then there's going to be a pop-up message that'll say a discount for you. You're gonna be getting a discount from me if you decide to pick up Undying Traffic using my link down below in this video. Then go ahead and click on get the discount, and then right over here is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you'll need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page here. Just scroll down and click on any of these yellow buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page. That's where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now, if you have any questions about this, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page. Send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, these bonuses that I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge. Even if you pick up the front end, which is at time of recording this video, is only going to be $12.95 in price. And also, you can upgrade the front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Now, please consider checking out the upgrades if you want to increase your chances of earning more money. Now, right over here, you're gonna get all this information. Write down the link below in this video. You can scroll down here, and please feel free to take the time to learn more about the upgrades that you'll be checking out, because once you decide to pick up all these available upgrades, you'll be able to really learn more of what it's like to be having more traffic for this offer. So you'll be able to get unlimited traffic with this upgrades available into this program. Just make sure that you read through it once you decide to pick up Undying Traffic. Now, when you click the link down below in the description of this video to purchase Undying Traffic, I will offer you my free bonuses. This is my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review videos. So after purchasing through my link, I will give you all my free bonuses. So make sure that you click the link down below in this video. And if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page, which you will find down below in the description of any of my review videos, or in my YouTube About Me section, and you can send me a message right there. And remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $12.95 during the launch period of the Undying Traffic. Once again, don't forget to check out all my bonuses because they are super valuable. It's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch, and it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on 11/6. So make sure that you look out for that when you pick this up. And all of my bonuses are all included, even if you just buy the front end, which is only going to be $12 in price. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my Undying Traffic review. Now, I hope you enjoy my review video. Make sure that you click the link below to purchase Undying Traffic at a discounted price. And also, don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that are available for you to check out down below in the description of this video. Now, I'll see you guys on to my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now, make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.